Well, good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Look at the bed of the truck. Bob actually cleaned it out. Found some metal for us there already.
Is it copper?
That looks like copper to me.
Yeah, me too.
How heavy is it?
I got the light part.
me too. Seems like some type of boiler.
Yeah, must be.
I just want to see. Wow. Yeah, with my back is so questionable right now. There you go. Look at this muscle man. Look at this guy. Look at that guy. Wow. Can I feel your pectoral muscles?
You really want to? Look at you, huh?
Nice. Say again?
All kinds of concrete or something.
Oh, it's got concrete? Or, oh, it does, doesn't it? Oh, yeah. Jesus. Looks like we're going to take it a little bit at a time. One piece at a time.
One piece of time.
Well, I guess so. Whoa! Everything in the kitchen sink, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. This one comes with Christmas lights. It's a Cubs chair.
Yeah, cute.
That's so cute. Let me seize it. Oh my goodness. It actually works too.
Oh, that's cute.
It works, buddy. Well, look at there. That is pretty nice. All right. Oh, it's a child's.
My cot.
My cot. I see it. Can we take it out of the box?
Yeah.
It's mine, damn it, Bob. Oh yeah, broke a leg.
Broke a leg, huh?
Broke a leg.
Ooh.
Well, look at you. Ew, gross, there's stuff in it. Bob doesn't like dirty pots. I don't like dirty pots, and I cannot
Take it or
lie.
not?
Yeah, of course I should take it.
It stinks.
Well, so do you, but you get to ride in the truck. Okay.
Seriously?
What? We'll put it in the back of the truck, you whiner. Look at this guy. That looks very... what is it? That's what it looks like.
It's what it looks like. Got a cord on it.
Yeah, okay, we'll take it for the cord. Looky.
How about that?
These are long.
Yeah, they are.
Look at that muscle guy.
Everybody watching?
Yep. Everybody's watching. It's Lou Ferrigno. I think those, well, alright. Oh, you just scratched the truck!
No, I didn't.
Look at that! Look at that! Look at that!
Oh, shit, I did, didn't I?
Damn!
Damn, can't have anything nice.
Can't have anything nice. That's what my mother used to say. You boys, I can't, because of you boys.
My mother said that all the
Does she? I can believe it. Yeah, because of you boys, I can never have anything nice. Thank you.
nicotine cans.
Nicotine
cans.
Nicotine cans. Hangover kit. That's perfect.
Hold on, I'll take your picture, man.
Wow.
It's got 27 pictures on it. Yeah. There you go, buddy. See?
It's cool. Oh, geez, Mary.
You missed. How could you do that?
You blocked me.
I blocked you. Now look, I spent an hour and a half cleaning this truck out.
You did?
Yeah.
Really? It doesn't look like it. Hey, you know you're getting desperate when you're picking up little strollers like this. Let's hope so.
Nice one.
This guy just waved us down and he's got a bunch of stuff for us to pick up here. Stuff here. I'm trying to record, Bob.
I'm having fun.
They're annoying. Alright.
Right here.
Pilot. Right there. Okay, awesome.
Yeah, I've been telling myself I'm going to take that to the scrap yard. I was going to take it Saturday, and I never made it.
Never made it. Need the bucket back?
You can have damn bucket. I don't
Alright, cool. Awesome.
A bunch of just junk.
Awesome. We like junk.
$200 a week.
We do it for fun money. We make videos out of it, so.
You know?
Oh, this is,
Taking the doors too?
yeah, we'll take the doors if we can get them off. They're only 8-footers. So. Sorry?
Maybe we should have a red flag.
Look at the size of that worm.
Wow.
Holy cow. Huh.
That's really neat.
Red t-shirt right here work.
Oh yeah. Yeah, thank you. Perfect.
Well, sure, thank you.
Yeah,
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.
Don't bring a whole lot of money, but
It all adds up.
yes, it does.
Old Eagle Eye
Look what
Bob.
I found.
Yeah, you found it all right. It's like, look at that, there's metal. Can you get it all in one swipe? Oh, shut up. Back pain is not some funny thing.
No.
Boy, could you have made a better mess out of that? Jeez.
It was mid over, man. Till your back feels better.
Yeah, might be a while for it to feel better.
Look at you. Look at you.
Huh, nice. I like the bird. That should be our hood ornament.
Spring up, man.
Nice spring. Look at, oh, look at this. Look, staring at me the whole time. Look at that.
Nice going.
Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. This is heavier than hell. Because it's cement. Of course it's heavier than hell. There we go, finally. JVC. Vintage. Huh?
I haven't seen one of those for a while.
I haven't either. Oh yeah!
Oh yeah, look at you.
Look at that copper, baby.
Yeah, I love that.
Woo! You been through this already?
No.
No.
We'll take this low.
Ho 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 ho! Very nice.
And this back one.
Holy cow, look at all that copper he's pulling out of there, folks. It's actually a nice looking chair. You're welcome. Oh sure, look at you missed again. You missed more copper, bud. Look at that copper, holy cow, jeepers. Wow, you're killing it, Bob. That's amazing.
We'll pick it back up. We'll pick it back up.
Hmm? Flares, no we don't. Nope. Right here. Yeah. Oh. Alright. Alright, let's rock and roll. Nope. Okay, there's our pile for tonight, everybody. Bob's going to try and get it down to the scrapyard tomorrow. I see him over there.
Hi.
He's going to try and get it down to the scrapyard tomorrow and see what we make, and we're going to hold the copper back for later. So, yeah. This is what we made. Well, that's it for this episode, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this channel. Take care of yourselves. Be safe out there, and we'll see you at the next dumpster. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.